Hi everyone, in this 1 hour course I'm going to be talking about arrays in Java inside Android Studio, and the main array types that we're going to be using are int, float, double, char, string, and boolean. So these are the major data types that we're going to be using in Android Studio, and I'm going to show you how to declare them, initialize them, add values one by one or all at once, and also how to traverse and sort them. Special topics cover sorting in ascending and descending order, arrays of integers, decimal numbers as well. And we're going to traverse arrays, so that means we have to go through all the elements one by one with a normal for loop or with a for each loop, or we can also call it the enhanced for loop. So we're going to see how we can do these traversals, and also I'm going to show you how to use the character arrays in order to give an example about these character arrays. I'm going to use for instance, an application that checks whether a letter inside a word is a vowel or a consonant. And I'm going to show you how to set up the sorting method for strings so that it is adjusted to the alphabetical sorting mode. For that, we will be using a new case insensitive comparator, and I'm going to show you how to set up that comparator. We're going to see how to split an array how to split a string to an array of strings. So we're going to see a sentence that we're going to split in different words, and I'm going to show you how to set up that as well. We just have to use a function that's called string.split, and so you just have to set up a couple of parameters. And finally, with Boolean arrays, I'm going to show you an application with multiple light bulbs that can be turned on or off. So you're going to see how we can use different kind of Boolean variables so that we adjust our application to different kind of functions that we're going to be using, such as the arrays.sort for booleans, and you're going to see what's the ordering method and many other features that we're going to be implementing. So that being said, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.